So today I want to show you guys how to do a cold start on an 8N Ford. This is a 1950. So first thing you want to do is just come in, turn on your fuel. So you've got your little fuel bowl here. You're just going to turn that on to open that up. After you do that, we're going to get on. We're going to adjust our throttle. So you've got two screws here on your throttle. You want to have it just covering that first screw. From there, if your choke is out, you're just going to pull it out. You're going to turn on the switch here. You're going to make sure you're in neutral. So you want to make sure you're not in gear. And then you're going to push the starter. Once you hear it get started, you just kind of get that throttle pushed back in nice and slow until you hear it. And then from there, just let it warm up. And that's it. Okay, so going into reverse, just gonna put it down, go top left from here. The tractor's gonna go. If I want to stop, I'm gonna put the clutch in, and I didn't even use the brake there. Then coming back forward. Again, if I want to stop, the first thing I'm gonna do is put the clutch in. If I start to roll, I'm gonna push down on my brake here. And with these, there's two separate brakes. This one here works your right wheel. This one works your left. So with yourself in neutral, if you started to roll it all, you're going to push down on your right brake. Your parking brake is right here. If you see down in the corner there, your parking brake engage is there. Now it won't move. If disengage, I'm going to push down, tilt that little lever back, and then it would let me roll again at that point. You're going to put the clutch down before you put it in gear. Pick the gear you want to use, and then let the clutch off nice and slow, and then you're going to be at that set speed. To stop or change gears, you're going to put the clutch in all the way, bring the tractor to a full stop before you make any change to the gear. But again, the clutch is going to be the first thing you're going to use when it comes to any of that. That's the basic operations for this 8N. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. Thanks so much.